Thank you, Erica. Take it away.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Casey, and everyone at UX and ATX for having me. This is really exciting, and this is good because I need to get out. I live in Austin too, and I need to get out more, and I'm looking forward to your next. I was really bummed to miss the last event at Armadillo Den, but someday I'll get out there. Like Casey said, I'm here to talk about how do you make those usability tests accessible? What does that mean? Let me make sure I've got my controls. There we go. All right. So a little bit about me. So as Casey said, I'm a UX researcher at Larunda Accessibility. We've changed our name slightly. We are a very startup, so we're still sorting that out. We're now Larunda Accessibility and Neurodiversity. That happened in between me giving Casey all my information, and now we're still at our soft opening stage, but full launch is coming in August, and we could not be more excited. But since I started in UX, I have had the good fortune to be surrounded by people who knew a lot about accessibility and a lot about UX research and have helped me along the way. But I found that this was a really constant learning process, and as technologies came out or I tried different research techniques, there were different considerations. But I found that there are a couple guiding questions that have sort of shaped what I'm going to talk to you about today and my own inquiries. Those are: what accessibility factors do you need to consider when you're recruiting or designing a study? And for all the tools, technologies, platforms that we use, how can we evaluate those to make sure that they're accessible? And so kind of the trajectory of this evening, just a bit of housekeeping, is that we're going to be exploring the accessibility of a remote usability test from start to finish. Everything that I've found myself thinking about along the way, but these are techniques that can apply as well to other formats of research. We're going to talk about why is accessibility important, barriers that come from the product, prototypes, wireframes, scripts, when you do your recruitment with the screener, documents for the study, the tools used, and compensation, which is everyone's favorite part. And this is a big agenda. You won't master this tonight. You won't master this in a week, and that's perfectly okay. I am still learning very much myself. So consider this an appetizer for the rest of your accessibility learning. And I have left lots of links in here for when you get the slides. Feel free to check out those resources and feel free to contact me. So without further ado, as we jump in, let's start with what do we mean when we talk about accessible? You know, we might have seen accessible design, we might have taken a workshop, but sometimes it helps to brush up on that definition. So really, we're talking about, can people with disabilities participate and contribute during whatever experience is going on? And is their experience equivalent? Do they get all the same value and information and reward as a person without a disability? Why is this so important? First thing is that barrier-free studies help you collect better data if participants run into barriers during the testing process or kind of burn out in the onboarding because things aren't accessible. You're missing data if they have to stop and deal with accessibility bugs during the study. If you plan for accessibility from the get-go, you know, you will make mistakes, you will learn as you go, but it helps you avoid backtracking or altering your study later. And then a lot of the accessibility features that will support participants with disabilities really help everyone. You might not even be doing a study on accessibility features recruiting people with disabilities, but you might have someone join your study who has an invisible disability. or you might be working on a team with a researcher with a disability. So really everyone benefits. And then breaking this down further into, okay, so we know accessibility, but what does that really mean to make your test accessible? And one of the most helpful acronyms that I've learned along the way is POUR, P-O-U-R. It stands for perceivable, operable, understandable, and robust. So can people with disabilities perceive all the content? Can they operate controls and interactive features? Can they understand what's happening on the tool? And robust is a little bit nebulous, but it refers to, does this experience work across devices, browsers, things like that, older devices? I like to add another R for respect. And I always feel like I need to preface this with, not that I'm thinking anyone is out to be disrespectful, but sometimes it can be hard for, if you don't have the lived experience of having a disability, it can be hard to think about what good accommodations might look like, and really having to sit down and plan that, and value the input of people with disabilities if they say, hey, this isn't working for me. So really your study should be, with that last R for respect, are you welcoming people? Are you making them feel valued? Are you honoring what they're bringing to the table? So it's POUR with an extra R on the end. And then accessibility belongs everywhere on the study's life cycle, from the planning through paying everyone, not just for participants, but as I said before, researchers with disabilities or stakeholders. So talking about one of the first places where you might bump into accessibility barriers is in the product to be tested itself. And that might seem like kind of a gimme because, you might be trying to look for just that. But it's important to think about this because there are some barriers that can not be super safe for participants, or might be detrimental to their well-being. This could be flashing content, autoplay video, animations, or sound, products that don't display well in dark or high contrast modes or inverted colors, and large amounts of high saturation colors. And this is definitely something, I won't delve into every single one of these because, we got limited time tonight, but really the underlying thing here is that these types of content introduce a stimulus that might be prove sensory overload. It might make people dizzy. It might cause eye strain or eye pain. And in the case of the flashing content, that one is very important to look out for because for some people with epilepsy, that can trigger seizures. So if you are testing a product and it has this content, it's a good idea to essentially put a content warning in your recruitment and screener that people can acknowledge that they know this is here and that they're okay with still proceeding with the study. If you're not testing a live product, but you're testing a prototype or a wireframe, it's still important to think about, does it have barriers? Wireframes can actually be more challenging than prototypes because frequently they're basically a picture, not really interactive. And a lot of tools that people with disabilities use to interact with websites and apps, called assistive technology, and I've linked some examples. They rely on the HTML that a live site would have, and a wireframe wouldn't have that. So bear that in mind. I have seen some examples. It was a really interesting article to read. Some researchers had developed text-based wireframes for blind users or blind study participants. I could not find that resource, but I do encourage you to look for it because I thought that was a really interesting way to solve this problem of my wireframe's a picture. Prototypes can have some more interactivity, but not always. It depends on the tool that was used to create them and how they're set up. If you have a prototype that you want to test with users with disabilities, make sure that you can navigate through using the keyboard only. You don't need a mouse. Check your layout for headings. Make sure your buttons and interactive features are correctly labeled and identifiable. And then make sure you have something for pictures or graphics called alternative text, which is sort of like a hidden text description of images. And blind internet users use a tool called a screen reader or a text-to-speech tool. It will read out all the information on the page and it will read that description. If you can have coded prototypes in wireframes, so written in HTML or Markdown, that sometimes is the best way to go, but that's not always possible. So it's a good idea to check and see what the accessibility is like on those prototypes and wireframes. So we've gone through our content. We've either looked at barriers on the live site we're going to test, or we've learned all about what's available on our prototype and wireframe, and maybe found a workaround like a text-based interaction for blind users. So now it's time to write our script. And one of the things that I've had to learn, and this took me some trial and error, but it is really satisfying when you do get it right, is that making sure your prompts, if you need to direct someone, if you're asking someone to find something, don't solely depend on color or visual information. Use things like text labels on buttons or links or menus, and relative positions of features. So what comes first, what comes second. You can use the tab key to see what's called the tabbing order of the page. There's usually something called a focus ring, a little box that comes up around this menu first, and then it goes over here, and then it goes over there. So if you're wondering what comes first or second, you can use the tab key, see what happens on the site. And this is probably sounding really trippy right now, that's okay. I'm going to have an example in just a minute. But before I get to this example, if you do need to use visual information, which sometimes I do because, I'm using my vision and I've got to think about what I'm doing first and then sort of translating for my participants if they're not using vision. Let them know that you're going off your vision. So instead of saying, well, the home button is to the left of the products and services button, say visually, the home button is to the left of the products and services button. Sometimes that translates into screen reader as the home button is above the products and services button. It's really an up and down navigation. So that communication is essential. And it does not hurt for both the tool you're using, if people are on a testing platform or a video conference tool, as well as the site. Think about complex menus or information flows that you might have to describe to participants. And we're on Zoom. I've used Zoom a lot to run remote usability studies. So my example is that I've had to spend a lot of time directing people to the share screen button. And if I say, oh, it's a green button with an arrow pointing up, that is completely vision and color dependent. So what I found worked best was to say to the participant, okay, So I want you to find, if they didn't know where the share screen was, I want you to find a menu that starts with mute. And when they're there, I'd say, okay, so you're gonna navigate through mute, then it'll say stop video, security, participants, it'll say chat, and then it'll say screen share. And if you get to, I think the next one, it's a little different for me because I'm already sharing. I think annotate was next. Then you've gone too far. You need to go back. So look at what people are going to need to find and how you describe it. The second important part of writing your script is thinking of time. Some assistive technology takes more time to use. Those screen readers or text-to-speech, they can't skim a big page full of information. They have to read through the text, and that takes time. Voice input users, people using something like Dragon Speak, where they're verbally telling the computer what to select. They need time to make selections. Sometimes they need several commands to make a single selection, depending on how the site is set up. Some neurodivergent participants or participants with cognitive or learning disabilities might need extra time or need to take a break. And then participants giving feedback, if they have a speech disability, they might need extra response time. So plan ahead, think about which user flows you want to prioritize for earliest, just in case you don't finish. And think about, budget and time-wise. Maybe you could reach out to the participant for an extra hour if you want to bring them back for another paid hour of testing. We've written our script, and it's time to recruit. So this is kind of for your participants. And typically I was doing a lot of the recruiting on my own because I've always worked in smaller shops. So I was writing a lot of the messaging myself. This kind of, is your first introduction to the participant. And so they probably have the most questions for you at this point. And if they have a disability, they probably have a lot of questions about, is this successful? What's my experience going to be like? Is it going to work for me? So you want to put that in your messaging. First of all, I really recommend learning about the social and medical model of disability. I won't get too far into it because I want us to have time for questions. But the medical model of disability is kind of a philosophy that says that your physical or cognitive or neurological condition is what disables you. So a person with very low vision, they are disabled because of their sight. And that's just inherent to them. The social model says, okay, our society or our, businesses or schools, whoever is kind of creating the environment, they have the power to create scenarios that introduce a barrier or remove it, right? For people who have all different types of, body types, brain types, things like that. So in that scenario, it would say, okay, so we only have, let's say I have a library, right? And I don't have any large print books. So the social model says I've disabled my low vision library visitors because I don't have any books they can read. I've created the barrier, not them, not their sight. So I could remove that barrier by having some audiobooks available or some digital books that can be downloaded and magnified or some large print books. So the importance of the social model is that it kind of creates that format for, we want everyone to be able to participate what can we do to get rid of those barriers, which is really key to both accessible design and testing. So I highly recommend engaging with that. And then allow participants to self-disclose information about their disabilities. And I would avoid asking anything that you don't need to know. For example, if you're asking if someone is blind and uses a screen reader, you want to know what assistive technology they're using, but you don't need to know about any medical condition that might be affecting their vision. And always, even if it disqualifies the participant from participating because they choose to leave the question you need to know blank on that screener, always make that an optional question. If they're uncomfortable, maybe they need some time to warm up to testing, or testing might not be for them. Person first versus identity first language. Person first, the person first, you would say people with disabilities or people who are blind, people who are deaf. Identity first is disabled people, blind people, deaf people. Neither one is wrong. Some people prefer one over the other. It's okay to ask. I tend to, if I'm doing something like this where I'm talking at length, I tend to flip back and forth just because I want to recognize both. If you're curious about why people might prefer one or the other, I encourage you to engage with that as well. That really comes from different advocacy movements through disability rights history, and it's fascinating. Give participants the option to request accommodations. If you can have captions, if you can have an ASL interpreter. And then if there's an accommodation that they want that you haven't mentioned, or they find an accessibility barrier in your recruitment process, or if they just have a question, it's a good idea to give an email and phone contact so they can get in touch. We all have to write a screener if we want to recruit. And this is really based around, so many of those tools are coming from a form. So this is really about building an accessible form for a lot of us. Another option would be to have kind of a long form email and have people type the responses if you're really running into trouble with an accessible form. But I think it is important to talk about form-based screeners. Make sure that in the form, any feature that controls an action like submission or selecting, so like radio buttons or checkboxes, is accessible. Again, keyboard navigation, no mouse required for people who are using switch devices or screen readers, things like that. And then properly labeled form fields. I did link a resource on accessible forms. It is a little bit codey, but if you're not a coder, what I mean by labeled forms is when you're saying, okay, this is where I want you to put your first name, make sure that the field that essentially asks, what is this for? What is this asking? That's where you put the first name, and not like a paragraph above it says, type your first name below. Test your form with the magnifier, go up to 400% or more. Make sure that the fields, the text fields, magnify along with other content on the screen. Also, other types of entry fields like radio buttons or checkboxes. Sometimes it doesn't happen, so you want to catch that first. Questions and directions should be clear and simple. And if you're using a form builder with a lot of different options, like maybe date pickers or drop-down menus, things like that, some of those more complex features might have accessibility barriers. When in doubt, test it out or find an alternate. I had real trouble with, so I typically use Google Forms. I found their simple questions to work really well for me. It's not a paid endorsement, but it sure does work. The date picker, frequently an inaccessible feature. So I would list all my open time slots with checkboxes and say, please check the ones that work for you. And then I'd make a schedule from there. So it took a little more time, but I didn't run into accessibility barriers. Now we've got our participants recruited, and we have to give them an NDA, and we have an information sheet that we want to give them ahead of the study. How do we do that? If you're giving them a document, it's important to think about the format. If you want to do a PDF, it must be remediated or really fixed for accessibility. The reason for that is even if you've created a Word document or a word processor document in an accessible format, it doesn't necessarily, and you can assume that it does not convert directly to an accessible PDF. So I've linked a resource on how to get started with that remediation. EPUB is another format for digital documents that tends to work really well for accessibility, but it's much less common. If all else fails, and I've done this, a Word document works. Those are much easier to make accessible right out of the gate. If you're using something like HelloSign or DocuSign, test it for accessibility first. We're going to talk more about evaluating tools in the remote testing section. But even if you have an accessible document, if the tool is not accessible, it's not going to work. If you must use a certain tool for your company, give people an option if they run into a tool that's not working for them, email you, call you, ask for an alternative format, and then document that so you can say to your team, hey, that tool you insist I use, it's not working for our participants with disabilities. On to document formatting. I've linked a lot of resources here. This is something that takes some practice, but just some starter guidelines. Make sure the background and text color contrast is good. I've linked a tool to check that. Font size is large enough. Simple fonts, not anything that's swirly or scrolly. Good heading structure. So if you go into the style menu, if you haven't worked with heading structure, you see heading 1, heading 2. I have a resource on how to set up that hierarchy. And then break text into manageable chunks so people can better retain the information. Plain language, which means clear, simple, logical, not too much jargon, really supports everyone, but it can especially make a difference for users with learning disabilities or cognitive disabilities or neurodivergent users. And then also descriptive link text. I've linked a resource there. That is a link that says right in the text that is linked where it goes and what it does. So an example would be, well, I'm sure you've been to a website where it just says click here, more, or a big long URL. It's better to change the text, including that link to something like, Google map of testing site, or click here to sign up, something like that. Read about our company. All right, so we're almost there. We're going to be doing some remote testing, and we need a tool that is accessible. How do you know if this fancy piece of software is going to be accessible? First thing to do when you're shopping, or if you're giving input to your your department who is making this decision, ask for accessibility information from the manufacturer. That the two main formats for that are an accessibility conformance report or a voluntary product accessibility template. Try asking for one of those. The company may not have that because they document their information in a different way. So feel free to ask them, how do you check and maintain your accessibility? How do you develop this? How do you remediate errors? How do you test your product for accessibility? And then you can do some unscientific research. Is their site accessible? And do they have an accessibility statement? Are they doing kind of the bare minimum? So this will help inform your decision about purchasing. And then you can also do some evaluation on your own, maybe get a free trial, or they'll give you a month testing period, right? So test it out. Can you get through with a keyboard, or do you have to use a mouse? Do images have alternative text? This is especially important for buttons that have like an icon rather than text. It's best if they have an icon and text, but if that icon is just icon 1 and it's really the chat feature, then that's not very accessible, and that will really slow down a session. Are forms and entry fields accessible when people are logging into the tool? Are controls accessible? So if people need to hit a button, share my screen, turn my microphone on and off, can they get to that and use that button? And are they labeled, or is it just an icon? And then within the tool, is there good text size and color contrast on the written information? Some other considerations to look at in your tool: does it allow captioning? Does it allow an ASL interpreter to join the meeting, have their video pin so that the participant can constantly look at their screen and their signing? Does the tool work on multiple browsers if it's a web-based tool? Does it work on older computers if people don't have the latest technology? And does it interfere with screen readers? I have seen this happen. A tool that when the participant shared their screen, it turned off their screen reader. And fortunately, the participant's spouse was in the next room and works in tech support and knew all about it and came in and sorted this out. It was during the technical check, not the study, but I was very confused for a while until we sorted that out. You might even want to do a usability test of the tool itself to help you decide how to move forward, maybe a pilot with a couple participants. Compensation. Everyone loves getting paid. But sometimes there can even be some accessibility barriers to consider here. The first thing is really fair compensation for the labor that participants are doing. All the factors going in, they have to disclose their disability or disabilities. And for participants who might have encountered disability-related discrimination or ableism, this can be kind of an ask. You're asking their perspective and input as a disabled tech user. And then you're also relying on their experience using assistive technology, which can take years to master. It's not a bad idea to experiment with the features that are on your devices, but it won't be the same as someone who uses them every day. You're really paying for that expertise. And then can participants use that compensation? If you're giving a gift card to a local business, does that mean that participants need to arrange transit to come shop in person at the store if they don't drive or they live far away? Is their website accessible if they're going to be shopping online? And then does the compensation include a product that the participant can use? Is the product accessible? Some things like, you might give an app subscription, but is the app accessible? You might give, might be a shoe store. Hey, we'll give you, a gift card towards shoes, but for people who wear adaptive footwear, that might not be something they can actually use. Cash is king. If you can pay people on the digital payment form of their choice, but that's not always possible. So it's good to consider. And then make sure that you find out what payment platforms they use, because if they're already using it and they like it, it's accessible to them. All right, so that was a sprint through accessible usability testing. And again, this is just the appetizer. This is the entrance into this world. Please use all the links and beyond. But also, if you want to ask me any questions, I have my personal email, eabraverman@gmail.com. And then Erica@larundetech.com. That's LARUNDATECH.com. It's Erica with a C. And then my LinkedIn is here as well. If you have questions, I'm happy to answer. I also want to let you know that if you are interested in doing any kind of mentorship activities, Larunda Accessibility and Neurodiversity is based in San Antonio. Even though I live here. And the UX San Antonio group has something called Mentor Mondays, where you're welcome to sign up, and just, it's like an open chat for like an hour or so, just answering questions from folks on the Bunny Hill, maybe new to UX. They love to connect with other groups. They're really excited to be so close to y'all. I mean, kind of sister cities. So this is not to pull you away, Casey. I promise I'm not poaching people, but this just kind of strengthens the alliance. So if that sounds good, let me know. And first of all, thank you so much to everyone for having me. I wanted to give us as generous a Q&A time as I possibly could. So this has been so much fun, and let's get to any questions that people have.
Yes. Okay. So I was going to say, I see a couple of questions in the chat. We are going to be sending out a follow-up email tomorrow with the slide deck. So don't worry if you didn't take notes. We'll be sending out that information to you tomorrow. And then there was an earlier question that I wanted to go back to. Someone had asked, in regards to the usability wireframe testing option, were you thinking about the WOZ, the Wizard of Oz screen reading method from Ally Accessibility?
That's a really good question, and I'm going to have to look that up to find it. I don't remember the researcher's name, but that might be the missing place. So thanks for suggesting that. And even if it's not the same person, I would love to check that out. There's a lot of really cool accessibility research coming from Australia, so good place to be looking for information.
Awesome. Okay, another question we had was, could you please list the mentor group you mentioned every Monday?
Sure, I can also put that in the chat. It's UX San Antonio, and that's UX.
Oh yeah, Jessica just put it in there. Thank you, Jessica.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you,
Perfect.
Jessica.
2 ways to grab it. Yeah, I'll definitely be coming to that too. Another question that was asked a little earlier were any courses or trainings you recommend to learn more in depth about this? And I wanted to ask that too, like, is there anywhere we could practice this more or get more training on this?
Yeah, I can definitely recommend some places. So for general accessibility training, There's a group called the Web Accessibility Initiative. And some of the resources I linked come from their website. They're actually, and Casey brought up the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. Those are some international accessibility guidelines that feed into like digital ADA law in the US and other laws around the world. This is the Web Accessibility Initiative is from the same group that puts those out. So they're coming right from the source. They have a section on their site called Accessibility Fundamentals. And I can email that link to Casey. They have, that's kind of like a really good starting list of resources. Actually, I think I did link it early on. It's like Plan for Accessibility. That's where that's linked, but I can also send you that link too.
Yeah, we can make sure we include it in our follow-up email tomorrow.
Wonderful.
Too.
Another good resource, and I've linked a few of their talks here. There is a nonprofit in Austin called Knowbility. That's KNOWBILITY. And I used to work there, so this is kind of a shill for them, but they do a lot with teaching and training around digital accessibility, and they do a lot of UX research. They're a nonprofit, so they can take volunteers. If you're interested in volunteering, I know they do have some volunteer opportunities around their UX research program. Another group is Teach Access. They're more for university students. Another resource at Knowbility, I almost forgot, Be a Digital Ally. It's a monthly webinar. It's kind of accessibility for the non-coders. So a lot of UX researchers. I say this myself as someone who is still learning about basic code. And then I saw this come up in the chat. Access U is Knowbility's Digital Accessibility Conference. It's in May. It's at St. Ed's University. So right in town. And in the past, they typically have, on the Monday of the conference, they typically have a full day workshop on usability testing with people with disabilities. I've gotten to be a part of that before, and it's excellent. It does have a cost, but ask about volunteering to get into some of the sessions for free. And in the past, they've offered some scholarships too, so check that out. But I would definitely say start with any of those.
There is another question in the chat about, are there any public screeners from larger companies that are good examples of screening for disability without asking for a diagnosis?
That's an excellent question. Typically, I've written my own screeners. So I haven't really gone looking for things that other people have produced, but I can tell you some good resources that I have found to help me write equitable screeners, and that I'm putting all the demographic information out there in a good way. Universities tend to be pretty up to date on asking about things like race, ethnicity, gender identity, things like that. Things like income as well. And a lot of times they'll have guides free on their website for people involved in research at whatever university. So I would suggest looking for general information, collecting demographic information for surveys, and look for resources coming from universities. Also some government resources that feed into things like the census, they document that for the public. As far as asking people about their disabilities, I recommend looking at disability etiquette guides Those tend to be more for face-to-face interactions, but they have models of ways to ask questions, like, do you need assistance with something, or can you tell me about your disability? Also going back to that social model of disability versus the medical model. I've seen some resources on that with examples like removing language like being, using a wheelchair versus saying someone's wheelchair bound, or saying, oh, this person suffers from X disability. Oh, this person has this disability. Really helpful language models in there as well that can be adapted to screener questions.
Love that. Okay, I'm going to just read a couple more of these questions coming in the chat. Many companies don't include accessibility as part of their research, unfortunately. Can you speak to how it became important where you are?
Well, I'm a little spoiled because I've always worked in accessibility-based companies. But talking to people who come from companies that might not come from exclusively accessibility, there's a couple drivers that I can say why people are interested in getting this information. The first is because, digital accessibility is becoming more and more part of the ADA, especially during COVID, where people were using the internet for everything. It really threw a lot of accessibility barriers into focus that no one had complained about before, because they just figured this is too much of a pain to try and engage this company. I'll just do some workaround. Not during COVID. So definitely customer complaints, legal issues. You can get sued for inaccessible websites. And then also, as soon as one major person in the industry starts working on accessibility, then their competitors have to fall into line. Because when you think about the percentage of people who will have a disability at some point in their life, it's really 1 in 4 is the prevailing statistic. And so that's a huge amount of market share. That's a huge amount of customer loyalty that you're leaving out if you don't become accessible. So I think it's a combination. The drivers are a combination of law, business, and then there are companies who really want to do the right thing and get started on accessibility because they want to be fair to all their customers.
Absolutely. Do you happen to know if you can download screen readers directly to try them out, or do you recommend any tutorials or demos to learn how they work? Someone else mentioned NVDA is a good free screen reader.
Yeah.
Do you have any other recommendations?
I do. And the good news is you already have a screen reader if you have a PC or a Mac. Also, your smartphone has a screen reader too. If you have a PC, the screen reader will be NVDA. You might have to download some portions of it depending on your machine. I am a little less familiar with that. But Macs come with VoiceOver, which is their built-in free screen reader. You can find tutorials online. Pretty frequently, the computer itself will come with a tutorial. On a smartphone, there is, if you have an iPhone, it's again VoiceOver. And an Android would have, again, well, not NVDA, sorry. It's called TalkBack on an Android. There are a couple other screen readers out there. The most common one that is not free is called JAWS, like the shark, JAWS, and it's the JA stands for job access. So it was really designed for employment. That one is paid and it's actually pretty expensive. But if you go to the manufacturer, They're called Freedom Scientific. And they have a lot of information on their product. So you can learn quite a bit about JAWS from their website.
Awesome. Yeah, I see voiceover and talkback and voice assistant all mentioned in the chat. Another question, how can someone practice being conscious about their language and making it second nature to consider these etiquette norms?
That's a very good question. Well, I would say the first thing is practice makes perfect. And don't be afraid to be open about the fact that you're practicing. I mean, it doesn't excuse, an egregious error that you should have caught, but for more nuanced things, a slip of the tongue, oh, I'm sorry, correct yourself in the moment. Also things like, I can tell you one thing that I'm working on right now is that because we're learning to accessibility and neurodiversity, I'm trying to structure my studies to make them more accessible to people who might not want to do small talk at the beginning of the session. I love to talk. That's why I'm a UX researcher. Are you kidding me? But not everyone does. So if I find myself getting too small talky at the beginning of a session, and I know that that might be a barrier to someone, or I think it might be, check in, say, hey, if this is a lot of small talk and you want to just sit back and relax while we wait for the next person to get here, that's totally fine. And really it is fine. So, checking in with people, asking people if they prefer first person or identity first or person first language. And then I think also empathy building, reading, certainly blogs, articles, books, film that's first person stories from people with disabilities. It kind of throws it all into context. And sometimes hearing someone's why, disability etiquette language is so important to them, kind of makes you think about the bigger picture, and it makes it a little bit easier to put it into practice. Even influencers, there's a lot of great disability influencers out there. And even I tell people also disabled comedians. I think a lot of people use comedy to talk about things that might be taboo. And disability can be a really big taboo in our culture. So, sometimes they'll talk about, disability etiquette that they've encountered or failed to encounter. But they're being open about it in a really informal way. So that can be a good learning tool as well.
Okay, I think we have time for just one last question here in the chat. And this was actually what I was going to ask about too, so it's perfect. So usertesting.com and other online research testing platforms are available. Are there any that you'd recommend, other testing platforms that are especially inclusive of people with disabilities? Or I was going to ask, do you know if usertesting.com has any built-in features? I need to play around in there more to discover, but what do you think?
So I have to admit, one of the things of always working with small shops is that you spend a lot of time running studies on Zoom. I have not personally, now I've observed studies and recruited for studies on other platforms like DScout or UserZoom. Lately, with the latest iterations of those tools, the last time I encountered them, I didn't run into problems. I think UserZoom, and they are very on top of trying to add in new features. They're working on adding in capabilities for captions or ASL interpretation. They've done a lot of work on their screen reader accessibility. D-Scout, I've heard good things, but I haven't really encountered it firsthand. But I've done most of my testing on video conference tools. This is not a paid endorsement, and this is not an attack, but I'm going to be brutally honest here. Zoom I found to work the best. I would say next in line is Google Meet. Some people don't like the ambient sound. It's harder to take out the ambient sound in Google Meet. So some people with sensory processing disorders don't like it. But I've heard that the auto captions tend to work a little bit better. Microsoft Teams is the tool that turns off the screen reader when you try and share screens. And if Microsoft comes at you, you can point them straight to me, but that is the honest truth. So I would avoid that one. And actually, if you go to Freedom Scientific, there is a very complex workaround that they have documented. It's all non-visual. It's actually MP4 files that you listen to for the tutorial. But that's a lot of effort for people to learn that workaround. And it's only for JAWS. But it does turn off every single screen reader out there. So I would say when in doubt, start with Zoom. If all else fails. That's probably going to get me in trouble.
I don't think so.
No, but I know I'm not supposed to name names, but well, and not just in general. I like to be nice and kind, but they started it.
Yeah, you're telling it like it is.
Yeah.
Okay, looks like a couple more LinkedIn professionals were listed in the chat as good people to follow. I just grabbed a little shot of that so I can include that in our follow-up email tomorrow. I don't see any more questions, so I think I'm going to wrap us up. One last announcement that I wanted to make before we close out for the night is that there is going to be a meetup for UX researchers and designers at South by Southwest. It is an official South by event and does require a badge. So I don't know how many of you guys are actually going to attend and have a badge, but if you do, it is on Tuesday, March 14th at 4 p.m. at the JW Marriott. So you should be able to find that on the South by Southwest schedule. If you are going to South by and have a badge, go check that out.
I'm going to make another plug for if you are going to South by Southwest already. I'm actually presenting also in the JW Marriott earlier that day on inclusive events. So if you do in-person studies, there might be some more information there for you. And you also get to meet the woman who runs the Be a Digital Ally. She's going to be visiting in from Alabama. And then the day before that, my boss is going to be speaking on a panel as a neurodiversity advocate. So if I forgot the name of their presentation, I'm not a very good employee. I don't remember what it's called, but I can share that with you. That's the day before if you're looking for more accessibility resources at South by.
Awesome. I love that. Yeah, we can find the name of it and send it in our follow-up email tomorrow. And Jessica just said the accessibility group has a meetup too at South by. There's a link for that in the chat. So grab that if you want. Again, we are going to send all of this good information out tomorrow. So don't worry if you didn't take notes, it'll all be coming at you in a message tomorrow. But yeah, feel free to reach out to Erica or myself with any more questions. And if there are no more for the night, we just want to give you a big round of applause. Erica, thank you so much. That was super interesting. I'm super excited to go into all my research tools and make sure that, you know, we're conducting the most accessible research possible. So
awesome. Well, this has been so much fun. Thanks for having me. And I really am looking forward to staying in touch now that I've said that I'm going to go to the next armadillo thing. I really want to.
Yes, you're officially part of the UX and ATX crew.
Okay. Yes.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time tonight. And thanks everybody for joining us. That was really great. And yeah, we'll see you guys at the next event and the next in-person hang. Stay tuned for updates on when those will be very soon.
All right.
All right. Good night, everybody. Thanks, Erica.
Thank y'all.